Step into the 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: child safety locks, AM/FM stereo, front reading lamps, AC, aluminum wheels, adjustable steering wheel, and bucket seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.